So when we have one fraction equal to another complete fraction, we use the method of cross multiplication. So we have 3 times 3x minus 7 is equal to 6 times 2x minus 5. Then we simply multiply out our brackets. 3 by 3x is 9x. 3 by minus 7 is minus 21. 6 by 2x is 12x. 6 by minus 5 is minus 30. Now we must bring the x's to one side and the numbers, the constants, to the other side. So x's to the left-hand side. 9x. Bring this across and it becomes minus 12x. On the right-hand side, we have minus 30. Bring minus 21 across and it becomes plus 21. Now on the left-hand side, 9x take away 12x is negative 3x. Minus 30 plus 21 is minus 9. And finally, to get x by itself, it's minus 9. We always divide by the number in front of the x. So therefore, x equals 3.